welcome back to my channel Dusk and Sunshine. This is the second video of this channel. I'm really excited. If you haven't watched the first video, please go and watch. I have mentioned the link in the description box. And first thing first guys, I would really want to thank you all a big time. I truly did not expect the amount of love and support I received from my family and friends when I posted my first YouTube video and I started this journey. I really love you all. जैसे कि मैंने आपको अपने पहले YouTube वीडियो पे कुछ शॉर्ट्स दिखाए थे, तो इस वीडियो की क्लिप्स मैंने अपने पहले वाले इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो के पहले ही शूट कर लिया था. एंड सिंस मुझे इतनी अच्छी नॉलेज नहीं थी वीडियो एडिटिंग और शूटिंग की, तो मुझे इसके कुछ शॉर्ट्स दोबारा से लेने पड़े, बट इट्स ओके. गाइस, आज का वीडियो एक ग्लैम अप ट्यूटोरियल है जिसमें मैंने सबसे कुछ आसान तरीके यूज़ करके मिनिमम ब्रशेस और मिनिमम मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स का यूज़ करके एक लुक क्रिएट किया है विच इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर एनी कॉफ़ी डेट और एनी ब्रंच आउटिंग विद योर फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स. सो आई होप यू लाइक इट. So I'll be starting with my moisturizer first. I have just cleansed my face with a face wash and I have not applied anything yet. So this is the moisturizer I'll be using. This moisturizer is from AYURVEDA and this is my favorite moisturizer so far. I got this testing bottle from a place I went and I'm surely going to buy a original bottle of this. This is a MAC testing primer again. I'm using the testing products, mostly all the small products. I just want to get finished with them. I'm taking a brush and dabbing it with the brush instead of doing the circular motion. Yeah, so this is done. I'm going to wait for 2 minutes to let it set. Next, I'm going to be using this foundation from Deborah Milano. And this foundation is in the shade 03 Caramel Beige. I'm going to be using this damp mushroom shaped beauty blender. I bought it from Miniso. So this is how my skin looks after applying the foundation. This concealer is called LA Girl Pro Conceal. Apply it in all the areas that you want to conceal. And I'm using the beauty blender and I'm using the smaller side of it. A setting powder to set all of it. I'm going to use this Oriflame compact powder. Use all the excess product of this brush on your neck. But I will suggest do not use your foundation much on the neck because then it becomes a very distinctive layer. Try to blend your foundation over here in your jawline with your neck. Yeah. I'm done with applying the powder and I believe my base is well set. Now I'm going to start doing the other things, and for that I'm going to use this iconic kajal first to create my eye look. So I'm going to roughly draw lines. Because ultimately it has to be blended out with my eyeshadow. This is a Lakme 9 to 5 Quartet and I'm going to use this green color which is going to match the color of my top I'll be wearing. I'm taking this green color on the same sponge. I'm going to repeat the same thing on my other eye. I have taken the lipstick of shade Pink Plush on the tip of my finger and I'm going to apply it on the crease of my eyes using my finger itself. As you can see, I did not use any brush or any other blending equipment for doing my eyes. That's how I do it when I don't have my brushes clean or Now I'm going to perform the most difficult step, that is applying an eyeliner. apply the same lipstick that I used on the crease of my eyes as a blush on my cheeks. This mascara is a bit dried up, but I think it will do the job. Do not forget to apply the mascara on your lower lashes. The next step is applying the lipstick. I'm going to line my lip first with this liner, which is called Seven Heavens. This is not a very famous brand. This is a local brand. And it works good for me, though if your lips are very sensitive, I will suggest go for a good product with good ingredients and check what works the best for you. It's a very dark and beautiful shade, guys. This shade has a tinge of wine, a tinge of brown and red as well. I'm using the same eyeshadow palette I used for my eyes for highlighting the areas of my face. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to take it on my fingers. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then please like my video, and if you did not, then please give me a feedback and mention in the comment section where I can improve. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. Guys, आप लोगों के individual feedbacks बहुत important हैं, और I will try to make as tailored videos as possible for you.